The PlayStation Portal gray screen issue typically arises from problems with display output or software during startup or gameplay. A quick fix is a simple restart. Hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a reboot. Ensure your portal has the latest firmware by checking the settings menu for updates, as outdated software is a common cause. A stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection with at least 20 Mbps upload speed is crucial for reliable streaming. Weak signals can trigger display issues. Since late 2023, Sony has released several firmware updates, and most users now resolve the issue via software updates or simple resets, reducing the need for hardware replacements. If a restart and software update don't solve the problem, try a factory reset via the settings menu. But remember, this will erase your settings. For connectivity problems, check your PS5 software is up to date and ensure no VPN interference. Note any error codes, e.g. CE82628 from the PS5 app or Portal Diagnostics. Long press Options button to assist in identifying the issue. Overheating can also cause display glitches. Ensure the device isn't exceeding 35 degrees Celsius, 95 degrees Fahrenheit. If problems persist, consider that a small percentage of units may have hardware faults requiring professional repair. Contact PlayStation support for assistance.